Hi, quick, short video, but important. I'm going to give you some information about things that are new to you. So first of all, if you look at this meme that's on your screen, it's teaching you that the words a and lot should not be put together as one word. A lot, two words, just like a little are two words. Yep. So I am going to be doing grammar reviews throughout the school year. And I'm also going to be teaching you 20 root words throughout the school year. You'll be getting these review sheets that we'll do in class on grammar things like the word a lot is two words. In front is two words. How to use good versus well. How to use I versus me. How to put pronouns correctly together in a sentence, such as you would never say me and my friends are going to hang out today. You would say my friends and I are going to hang out today. So we're going to be working on that throughout the year, and then that will culminate in a grammar test come April or May, depends on when we get everything done. And all of the grammar review sheets, as well as the grammar test, will be graded for accuracy. So they will be graded on whether you got things right or wrong. You are allowed to work with other people if you so desire, so you're more than welcome to work with others. And if you do that, please just turn in one sheet with you and the other person's name on that sheet. Don't, four of you at your table, if your table all works together, so there's four of you working on that sheet, don't turn in four papers. Turn in one and put all four names on that sheet. And the others of you who don't actually keep that paper when it's passed back, you can see all of these worksheets will be in Schoology in my grammar folder. So come test time, you can, go to the grammar folder and relook at all the sheets we did all year. And we're not going to do them every week. I usually do 2, sometimes just 1 a month. So it's, you'll end up having 12 or 15 grammar review sheets come the end of the school year. As far as the root words go, you'll have 20 root words worksheets that you're going to do throughout the year. So one worksheet, no, there's not 20. Sorry, I'll take that back. I think there's 10. There might be two root words on a worksheet. You can also do your root words worksheet with other people. Again, if you work with others, don't turn in separate sheets. Please turn in one with both names or 3 names or up to 4 names on it. I don't want more than 4 people working together on anything. And the root words, as opposed to like the grammar worksheets where I grade them for right or wrong, on the root words worksheets, I don't do that. You'll get 10 points just for completing it to the best of your ability and following the directions. You will lose points if you don't follow directions correctly, but you won't lose points if you get something wrong on the root words worksheets. I will go over those and you can make corrections on that. So grammar review sheets, graded for right or wrong. Root words worksheets, graded for completeness and following the directions. And you may work with other people on both of these assignments, turning in one sheet with the names on it of the people who work together. Or you can work by yourself if you want. All right, so you're going to do your first set on Friday. You'll have a root words worksheet and a grammar review worksheet, and they're due by the end of the month. And that is it.